Welcome back to Western New York Living. How come it always seems like around this time of year, most people are either shopping or cleaning around their home? Well, if you're like me, shopping's fun, cleaning not so much. That's why I am happy to introduce you to our next guest joining us on the set today from Custom Made Cleaning, Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio. Thank you girls so much for being here today.
Thanks.
This is like on Willy Wonka, I've got the golden ticket, gift certificates to Custom Made Cleaning. Now, Colleen, you've been around for 30 years in Western New York.
Yeah.
What has led to
years.
this success?
A lot of hard work, and with establishing programs that we've developed over the years that actually work in the clients' homes. We have our own training procedures that we go through with our new employees so that they learn the correct way to do everything, so that we can offer consistency with the cleanings and know that the clients are going to be getting the very best service out there.
And how nice it is to get that extra hand.
Oh yeah, this time of year, oh my goodness, yeah. So it's you just don't have time for everything, and it's for the pre-holiday cleanings, post-holiday cleanings, anything in between. Even if we're going to get into it a little bit later, but the gift certificates, huge gifts for people this time of year. It's really, really a nice gift to have. But we do all kinds of cleanings, whatever you need. Post-construction, even in your offices. We just had a client that's moving into a new office and it wasn't as clean as they'd like it, so they gave us a call, and we're going to be doing that for them too.
And that makes a big deal. Now, Miranda, you offer a lot of different types of service. This time you offer like holiday cleanings and that too.
Yeah.
To add to what Colleen said, tell me a little bit more.
Yeah, so we do regular cleaning, like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly services. We do move in, move out. We do post-construction cleanup, which is really important, especially for me, because I'm doing a construction at my house right now, so I'm going to need them to come and do that for me. And then, like she said, the holiday cleaning, seasonal cleaning.
And what a difference it makes. Now, the gift certificate, tell me how it works.
Okay, they can either contact our office, they can actually go to our website, which you're going to give them that information a little bit, and they can purchase it right online. It's very, very easy to do, and we have it all on file, and then when their recipient is ready, they just give us a call. If they would like us to physically mail them something, they can contact the office. We'd be more than happy to send out a little brochure with a nice little gift certificate like we have here, and and then they can present it to them. It's a great gift for your grandparents, mothers, sisters, uncles.
I think you might feel weird at first, like, oh, I'm buying you something to clean your house, but really it is the nicest luxury to have somebody come in.
It's really the gift of time. You're giving them their time back to spend with their family around the holidays, or if they might be having upcoming surgeries, they can use it for that.
And sometimes it can just be a little too much.
Yeah.
And the other cool thing, Miranda, with Custom Made Cleaning, you're fully insured and bonded, and if you're going to let somebody in your house, that should be the first thing you look for in a company.
Yes, definitely. We're fully insured and bonded. We also run background checks on all of our employees. We know how important that is for our clients.
And you don't have to tell them what to do, because you guys already know. You're so good at what you do.
Thank you.
I liked you on Facebook. You want everybody to do that.
Yeah, that's important too. And just to check out our website. Everything is on there that they need to see. And if they have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Sherry at the office. We have another girl in the office too. Amanda can help them.
My producer, Jeff Cobb, would never let us say goodbye until you give me your cleaning tip.
Okay.
Because I think it's the only way he cleans his house. Go ahead.
Okay.
So this is for you, Jeff.
Okay. So if you have any little ones, or anybody that has, had anybody over at the holidays at Thanksgiving, and you might have like an area rug or something under your dining room table, something got spilled on it, or right before the holidays, oh my gosh, what just spilled on my rug? You take a little bit of white vinegar, put it on that spot, sprinkle a little bit of the baking soda. It's going to like fizz and bubble and do its thing, and you wait for it for a few minutes. You take a damp, white rag is best, but any kind of damp rag, and you press it into that spot, and it comes right out. I've had my little granddaughter with like blueberries walking around.
And it'll get the blueberries out?
And the rug comes right out.
Happy holidays, girls. Nice to have you here.
Thanks, everybody. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Custom Made Cleaning is your go-to service for keeping your house or business clean year-round. Right now, save $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly cleanings. For more information on the services they provide, just visit their website, custommade-inc.com. You can also give them a call at 775-0820, and they suggest suggest you like them on Facebook as well. Now, coming up next, how would you like to get to your ideal weight just like Pamela did without spending hours at the gym? The Ideal You Weight Loss Center will be joining us to talk about their unique protein-based weight loss protocol when we continue.
Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: